Hello, everybody. This is a quick tutorial about using the map, where to find the center close to you. Going to share my screen. This is a free app by Google My Map. And we have here all the locations of the centers that we have globally that are participating in Spark a Spectrum. So here on the left, you can see University of Houston, Clear Lake, the location, the address, the physical location, the website. We are asking, we just completed a form today, and we are asking all the centers that participate to send us a wish list, 3 wishes that they would like funding projects. So let me zoom into Africa, where we have most of the people. Okay, let's go to Ethiopia, for example. When I click with my mouse the symbol, this little house, I can see the name of the foundation. It is in Ababa, Ethiopia. This is their website. I can click to enter an email, and they also have this option to view. We will also try to have a person to put a person like that you can talk to, and you can also see 3 wishes. If you feel generous and you would like to support, this is directly from you to the center. Thank you very much.